Hi everyone, this is Dr. Holly with Queen City Health Center, and as you can tell, I'm expecting. If you're watching this video, congratulations, you might be expecting as well, or plan on getting pregnant sometime in the near future. And we have collectively created some videos to help you and help anyone that's pregnant to position the baby in a comfortable place so that birth and pregnancy is positive and not painful, and give you the best opportunity for the best birth possible, as well as feeling the best throughout your pregnancy. All right, this exercise is called the Rebozo Technique, or the Rebozo Sifting. This is a Latin American actual scarf called a rebozo, and they use this for many things in pregnancy, but one of them is actually a sifting exercise, which we're gonna go through next. And I have my lovely assistant, Jennifer, who's gonna help us here. First, you need to find a scarf or a long piece of cloth that you wanna use. You wanna make sure that it's firm and a little bit stretchy. A towel might be too firm, so I just have, this is a pashmina or a scarf. And then the first part of the technique is creating the proper hammock. So we can hold on to this together, but you want to fold in the sides so that it creates what's called a hammock. So you just fold in about 1 inch to 2 inches, and then you're going to grab to hold here, and you're going to grab hold there, and then she's going to put this around my belly. And the exercise is done on your hands and your knees. So I'm going to get down on my knees. So similar to the cat-cow. However, on this exercise, you want your knees to be further back and your arms to be further forward than your shoulders. So I put the bottom of that rail here and the top up here, and then smooth it out and make sure it's nice and smooth around your belly. And then I'm going to come here. So you can see I've walked my hands a little bit further than 90 degrees from my shoulder, and my knees are a little bit further back. And then Jennifer is just gonna pull up so slightly right there, and she probably feels the weight of my belly. This is gonna feel amazing for you mommies because it's gonna take the weight of the belly and the pressure off of your back. And then from there, she's gonna bend her knees ever so slightly so that she can squat, and then she's going to sift the belly back and forth really lightly. Now it's a gentle technique and it's shifting. If you see the rest of my body moving, so if my shoulders and hips are moving, that's too aggressive. You need to back off a little bit, but just this light shifting. And then Jennifer, can you pull up a little bit on the bottom part? On this part? Yep, right there. So it should feel like somebody's holding your baby in a hammock and taking that pressure off. So the recommended time for this is 2 minutes. God bless your partner so that they can hold it for 2 minutes and go back and forth. And remember that it's a light sifting, so we're sifting flour instead of sifting a milkshake is one terminology that I've heard a doctor say. And then let's actually turn and get a front view. Did you get a front view? Yes, we got a front view and a side view. So the recommended time to do the Rebozo again is 2 minutes and daily. This is sifting the baby into the position for being head down and preparing for the birth. And I have testimonials of patients that have used this technique, and the length of their labor has been cut down by hours. So moved from like an 8-hour birth to a 4-hour birth, a 16-hour birth to a 7-hour birth, and lots more testimonials in that direction because it just helps baby get into the right position. Now pull a little bit more aggressively, Jennifer, and so that it shifts my shoulders. So pull more, yes. So this would be the wrong technique if your partner is doing this and your belly's wobbling around and your shoulders are moving a little bit. That's too aggressive, so you want to go lighter. Yes, right there is the perfect sifting.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to connect with us and learn more, we're constantly shooting information or shooting videos. We actually have a blog as well, and we have a website where you can learn so much more. If you want help with your health, you can actually connect with us, come into our clinic, or jump on a phone call with us and see if we can help you. To do that, go to the links below in the information area and click those areas, and then you can move forward and see how we can actually address and help you with your health issues as well.